China has become the world's factory floor, and nowhere is this more evident than in electronics. From smartphones and laptops to complex semiconductors and telecommunications equipment, China churns out a vast array of electronic products that power our modern lives. This dominance in manufacturing has reshaped the global tech landscape, making China a crucial player in everything from consumer gadgets to cutting-edge artificial intelligence. The sheer scale of China's electronics production is staggering. Factories hum with activity, assembling billions of dollars worth of goods each year. This manufacturing prowess has earned China the nickname the world's factory, a title it continues to solidify with its ever-growing technological sophistication. This essay will delve into the heart of China's electronics empire, exploring its impact on the global economy and the challenges it faces in a rapidly evolving technological landscape. From the bustling factories of Shenzhen to the research labs of Beijing, we'll uncover the factors driving China's electronics dominance and its implications for the future. To say electronics are a big deal for China's economy is a massive understatement. They represent a colossal chunk of the country's exports, raking in trillions of dollars annually. In 2023 alone, China exported over $1.5 trillion worth of tech goods, a figure that dwarfs the entire GDP of many nations. This makes electronics not just a key industry, but a cornerstone of China's economic might. This dominance isn't accidental. It's the result of decades of strategic investment in manufacturing infrastructure, a relentless focus on efficiency, and a vast, skilled labor force. These factors have allowed Chinese companies to produce electronics at an unprecedented scale and at costs that competitors struggle to match. This surge in exports hasn't gone unnoticed. It has fueled China's economic rise, transforming it from a developing nation into a global superpower. However, this dependence on electronics also presents vulnerabilities, particularly in the face of rising trade tensions and increasing competition from other manufacturing hubs. China's electronics industry isn't a one-trick pony. It encompasses a mind-boggling array of products, each catering to different segments of the global market. At the consumer level, Chinese brands like Huawei, Xiaomi, and Oppo have become household names, offering feature-packed smartphones at competitive prices. A mid-range smartphone from these brands might retail for $300 to $500 internationally, significantly undercutting competitors while offering similar features. But it's not just about consumer gadgets. China is also a major player in more sophisticated electronics, including telecommunications equipment, semiconductors, and industrial machinery. These products are essential for building the infrastructure of the digital economy, powering everything from 5G networks to cloud computing. This wide range of products highlights the depth and breadth of China's electronics manufacturing ecosystem. It's an ecosystem that can produce simple consumer goods at scale, while also possessing the technological sophistication to compete in cutting-edge sectors. This versatility is a key strength of China's electronics industry. One of the key reasons behind China's electronics dominance is its ability to produce goods at remarkably low costs. This China price advantage has made it the go-to destination for companies looking to manufacture everything from budget-friendly gadgets to high-end electronics. Several factors contribute to this cost advantage. Labor costs in China, while rising, are still significantly lower than in developed countries. This allows companies to employ large workforces for tasks like assembly and testing, keeping production costs down. Moreover, China has developed a highly efficient supply chain for electronics manufacturing. Component suppliers are often clustered in close proximity to assembly plants, reducing transportation costs and lead times. This combination of low labor costs, an efficient supply chain, and government support has created a powerful manufacturing ecosystem that's difficult for other countries to replicate. It's a system finely tuned for producing large volumes of electronics at competitive prices, making China the undisputed leader in global electronics manufacturing. China's electronics exports don't just disappear into thin air. They satisfy the insatiable appetite of consumers and businesses worldwide. From the bustling streets of Mumbai to the tech hubs of Silicon Valley, Chinese electronics have become ubiquitous, seamlessly integrating into the fabric of our daily lives. The United States, despite its ongoing trade tensions with China, remains a massive importer of Chinese electronics, snapping up hundreds of billions of dollars worth of goods each year. The European Union is another major market, with countries like Germany and the Netherlands relying heavily on Chinese imports for everything from smartphones to telecommunications equipment. Developing economies are also major consumers of Chinese electronics. Affordable smartphones and computers have helped bridge the digital divide in many of these countries, providing access to information and opportunities that were previously out of reach. This global reach of China's electronics exports underscores their importance to the world economy. They've made technology more accessible and affordable, driving innovation and economic growth in both developed and developing nations. However, this dependence on Chinese electronics also raises concerns about supply chain vulnerabilities and the potential for economic and geopolitical leverage.